मो स्क्रीन देखा हो तुम मन को?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
ओके, तो समस्ते जो एग्जाम देथिलो मॉक टेस्ट देथिलो से आंसर शीट बाहर करो। मु खाली कह के पढ़ेबी कि एक नंबर आंसर एटा दुई नंबर आंसर एटा तुम खाली मैच कर करके पढ़ेबो। ठीक अछि? तापरे लास्ट को मते कहबो कि तमे केते स्कोर रखले बोली। ओके, बाहर कलो।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, चलो ठीक अछि। एक नंबर क्वेश्चन थिला लेंको रिक्वेस्टेड गॉड फॉर मॉनेटरी हेल्प ऑफ 100 पेजोस इन ऑर्डर टू डैश। तो यार
So,
होची उत्तर होची कौन कौन? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, सो इज फील्ड अगेन एंड लाइफ। तापर देखिए 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, लिंको रोड द सेकंड लेटर टू गॉड डैश। ओके, तो यार होची उत्तरटी कौन हबो ना ऑप्शन नंबर बी, आस्किंग हिम टू सेंड 30 पेजेस मोर। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 अच्छी, इन हिज फर्स्ट लेटर लेंको रिक्वेस्टेड गॉड टू सेंड हिम डैश पेजेस। ओके ठीक अच्छी। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अच्छी, ऑल आवर वर्क फॉर नथिंग shows लेंकोस डैश। तो सरप्राइज, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, हैप्पीनेस, हेटेड। तो यार कौन हबो? सरप्राइज। ठीक अच्छी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कौन अच्छी, लेंको वाज an ox of a man। Here an ox of a man means कौन? ओके, तो गोटे काम कर तुमने खाली ऑप्शन कहि चलो कौन लिखिछ?
ए।
he
ए।
walked
ओके
like a
ठीक अछि। ए अच्छी सॉरी, ए ही walked like an ox, ना he was hard working, ना he was lazy। कौन लिखिछ तुमने?
B. He worked like a
बी।
ox.
बी यस यस, he was hard working।
हार्ड वर्किंग।
हाँ, नेक्स्ट 6 नंबर कहि कोन ना, द हेल रेन फॉर डेज ऑन द एंटायर वैली, 1 आवर, 2 आवर, होल डे, हाफ एन आवर। ओके,
1
यार आंसर
hour.
ओके,
ऑप्शन ए।
ऑप्शन ए 1 आवर।
यस मैम।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहला कौन देखो, Lenko's son went out to collect the frozen poles. Here the frozen poles are dash. Raindrop, hailstones, ripe corns, shining
Hailstones.
flowers.
हेलस्टोन।
Hailstones.
हेलस्टोन।
Hailstones, yes, hailstones. चलो ठीक अच्छी। Next question कहला, what did Gandhi always enjoy at the high school? The affection of work, the affection of teachers, the affection of the headmaster, B.
The affection of teachers।
The affection of the
Affection of
teachers.
teachers. Okay, ठीक अच्छी। Next question देखिवा, what language was the language of Gandhi's own religion? Sanskrit, Persian,
Sanskrit.
Hindi, Gujarati. Sanskrit. Okay, ठीक अच्छी। Next question देखिवा, on Saturday Gandhi had to attend gymnastics classes at that in the afternoon. Okay, तो यार
4
आंसर तो
o'clock.
कौन होगा? 4 o'clock. Yes. चलो तब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Okay, who used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy? तो यार
The
ऑप्शन भी
boys।
कौन?
The boys.
The
The
boys।
boys. Yes, the boys. Okay, next question. What was the amount of scholarship that Gandhi obtained when he was in 6th standard? तो कौन है
10
भैया?
rupees.
10,
10 rupees।
6. Okay, 10. Yes. Next 7 number कहला, who was Doraji Idulji Jimmy? Okay,
गांधी।
Gandhi's headmaster.
Gandhi is the headmaster.
Okay, gymnastics teacher, Sanskrit teacher. Okay, Gandhi's headmaster. ठीक अच्छी। Next question देखिवा, कहला what should every young man and woman learn from his example? Okay, तो यार ऑप्शन पे
Good handwriting is necessary part of education।
yes, good handwriting as necessary part of education। ठीक
Education।
अच्छी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जीवा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहला, in all things bright and beautiful, the mountain top looks dash. कौन बा?
Purple.
Yes, purple. चल next question कौजी. He should wax express our deep gratitude to God because He was given us dash. चलो कौन है बेटा?
I speech.
Eyes and
Speech.
Speech.
eyes and peach. अच्छा. Okay. Next question है he gave us eyes to see dash and lips that we can tell dash. Here the poet dash describe the glory of God's creation, express his gratitude to God, narrates God's greatness as the master architect. ना कौन है बेटा?
Ma'am, describe the glory of God.
Describe the glory of
Describe
God's
the glory of
creation.
God's creation.
Okay. Describes the glory
The
of God's.
glory of God's creation.
Okay. अच्छा next question ଯିବା. कहला God has given us eyes dash. Eyes कौन ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି? To look impressive and interesting things. ନା so that we are able to see things. ନା କଣ ବେଟା? ନା to
To feast
To feast our lips on God's
on God's
beautiful creation.
creation.
beautiful creation. Yes. चलो
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
ଅଛି. Next question. The beautiful landscape of the earth is full of beautiful things and dash.
Opening.
None of these above.
None of these above. ମୁଁ ତ none of these
None
above.
of yes.
Creatures ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
Beautiful
ନାହିଁ.
things and କଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା? Beautiful.
Creatures
Sorry,
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା.
beautiful things and
Creatures.
creature.
Creature.
Okay. तो
Beautiful
ये
things
जगह
and
कौन
creature.
सब नहीं तो एटा हो none of these. Okay.
Above.
तापर कहला what does the poem aim at? Motivating children to see beautiful things, asking children to listen to the music of birds. Now introducing the children. कौन बेटा?
Motivating children.
Motivating children to
Introducing
see
children to their
beautiful
God.
things.
Okay. Next question. The poem All Things Bright and Beautiful
Ma'am,
is
ଏଟା ହବ ନା ସେଇଟା?
C.
Sita.
Introducing the children to their God. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. तापर एक होची the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is included in one of C.F. Alexander's works that is just. कौन है वो?
Hymn
For
children.
Children.
ऑप्शन नहीं है वो.
Option
हाँ.
A.
A. Okay. ठीक अच्छी. Hymn of Children. Next question kala what is the word that rhymes with the word sings in the poem all things bright and beautiful?
Sings wings.
wings.
Wings. Yes, wings. Answer है wings. ठीक अच्छी. Who does Wordsworth describes in the poem The Solitary Reaper? An urban girl, a solitary traveler, a solitary singer.
Solitary girl.
A solitary girl. Okay. अच्छा तब कला why according the Wordsworth is the cuckoo voice is thrilling among the farthest Hebrides. Okay, cool.
Because of its breaking the silence of the
silence
sea.
of the sea
Yes.
among the farthest.
Yes. Because of its breaking the silence
Yes,
of the sea
among the
among the
farthest Hebrides.
farthest Hebrides. Okay, yes. Chalo, next question. What are the two synonyms of young girl used in the poem The Solitary Reaper?
Lass and maiden.
Last maiden.
Okay. ठीक ଅଛି. कौन कहला कौरा कहला?
Lass and maiden.
Maiden.
नाम से जो 8.
एटा. अच्छा. तापरे अच्छा मते कहलो ये जो या मीनिंग कोन? Lash and haunt या मीनिंग कोन?
Ma'am.
हाँ लास्ट माने तो गर्ल.
Girl.
हॉट माने ट्रैवलर.
हाँ जो हॉन्ट मन तो सैडी हॉन्ट बहुत तरह की गोटे ओसिस को कहा जाए ना हॉन्ट सैडी हॉन्ट जो कहते हैं.
अच्छा.
ट्रैवलिंग इन सम प्लेस ना माने.
हाँ सैडी हॉन्ट मने तो ओसिस.
Okay.
खाली हॉट में
खाली हण माने कौन?
ଗୋଟେ ତ ହଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଶିକାର କରିବା।
ସିଏ ତ ରହିଲା ହଣ୍ଟର HUNT। ये ଅଛି କଣ? HUNT କଣ?
Yes ma'am.
ଯୋଉ କୁହନ୍ତିନି ଯୋଉ କୌଣସି ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ଆମେ ମାନେ
ट्रैवलिंग
ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଡେଲି ଡେଲି ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବା ଯାଇକି ସେଠି ଯାଇକି ମାନେ ଡେଲି ଯାଇକି ସେ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖାଦେବା ସେଇଟାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ?
Yes ma'am.
କଣ
Yes
କହନ୍ତି
ma'am.
ଟୁ appear in a place regularly ମାନେ ସେଇ ଜାଗା ଡେଲି ଯାଇକି ଆମେ ମାନେ କଣ କାହାକୁ ଦେଖାଦେବା ସେଇଟା ସେଇ ଅର୍ଥରେ କୁହାଯାଏ ହେଲା। ओके चलो नेक्स्ट को ଯିବା। Now, what does the poet ask his co-travelers to behold? कौन है वो?
The mountain
The mountain
solitary
regions. Okay, कोटा?
What does to behold? The
the
solitary
mountain begins in Scotland.
बुझियो नहीं का बहुत आवाज होती।
the solitary reaper in the field.
The solitary reaper in the field. Yes, the solitary reaper in the field. एटा हबनी
Yes.
एटा नो सीटा ही हबो ହେଲା। ओके
Yes.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहला Oh, listen for the value profound. The poet says, so the dash. कौन लिखिଛ?
The co-travelers.
The co-travelers. The
Co-traveler.
co-travelers. After long after it was heard no more. Here it refers to dash. The music of the
The
solitary reaper,
music
the
of the
song of the
solitary bird.
The solitary reaper.
yes, the music of the solitary reaper. Very good. अच्छा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ଯିବା and over the dash blending corn sickle dash body
Sickle bending.
sickle yes sickle चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ଯିବା नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ହେଲା which of the following is not the theme of the girl song ସେ girl song ରେ କେଉଁ theme ନଥିଲା
Beautiful experience of a life.
କୋଉଟା beautiful experience of our life yes
Princess of her life.
yes ए थीम टी ता गाना रे बाता गीत रे नथिला ओके सेट सी को जिबा at night Timothy slept dash
In the cook's quarters.
The cook's quarters.
in the cook's quarter yes चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिबा Timothy had died of dash 2 months ago
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
pneumonia तापर कह the grandfather wanted to see the superintendent of the zoo about Timothy's dash
Transfer to
To another cage away from the leopard.
Transferred to another cage away from the
Okay,
leopard.
yes. Transfer to another cage away from the leopard. Acha, next question. The nearest zoo was 200 miles away. The underlined word is used as this. जो away कौन adjective adverb preposition conjunction कौन
मैं वो तो एडजेक्टिव लिखी थी।
मैं तो प्रिपोजिशन लिखी थी।
adverb okay
Yes ma'am.
चलो next question. Which clean habit of Timothy has been referred to in the story? Brushing his
Scrubbing.
teeth,
Carving his face.
Curbing his face.
scrubbing
Scrubbing
his
his face like a
face.
cat.
Yes, scrubbing his face. Chalo, next question. The advocate said that he met the poor beggar the day before in dash.
Sodovia Street.
Sodovia Street. Yes, Sodovia Street. Next, the advocate threatened the poor beggar him. Good minute. Poor beggar to send him to the scene's dash.
He was repeatedly telling
He was
lies.
repeated telling
He
lies.
was repeatedly telling lies.
Lies.
Okay, very nice. তারপর দেখছি Olga Glad wordfully बा ताको आमे कोन कहती very angrily बोली कहा जाए ताको आउडे भाषा बुझिले तो it had a companion who is the companion here
Luskov.
yes Laskov very good next कहला for 8 years the beggar told Sergei that he was dash
A school teacher.
A school teacher.
A village school teacher है, पर
teacher.
लेकिन मुझे school teacher ही देखिए.
okay ठीक अछि तब Sergei called his cook dash ता cook कोन डाकुतले को
Out of the bedroom.
Ma'am,
okay
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
कोन कहता
Ma'am, when out of the kitchen देखिए तो out of the kitchen to bedroom ही है.
bedroom दा होइछि त ma'am
Out
सेटा
of the
कहछि
kitchen ଦେଇଛି
हाँ
bedroom.
ऑप्शन ए टा ही हबो आउट ऑफ द बेडरूम
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am. लेकिन
bedroom रे सेटा रखिଥିଲେ ना
आउट ऑफ द किचन
yes, ma'am.
ओके तो ठीक अछि तो एठी तो से ऑप्शन नाही दीटा जाक बोधे ना गोटे फ्रॉम हिज बेडरूम आ गोटे आउट ऑफ द बेडरूम अच्छा
From his bedroom.
ओके चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जेटा क्वेश्चन टाइप करा होची ना तो टाइप
Yes,
करा बेले हां तो सेतरे
ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବୋଧେ
नहीं से कौन होची बहुत समय लागि जाउची टाइप कला पाखा पाखी जड़े जते बसे टाइप करियो निहाती 4-5 घंटा लागि जाउ टाइप करसा क्वेश्चन सब क्वेश्चन तापरे ताको सेट करला को टाइम लागि जाउची तो बेले बेले ऑप्शन भी लिखिबा बेले भी गलत हो जाउची ओके
yes, ma'am.
तो 21 नंबर चूज द ग्रामेटिकली एक्सेप्टेबल सेंटेंस he not only liked the house but also bought it not only he liked the house but also bought it तो या भी ऑप्शन कोडी होबो
He not only liked
not
the
only like the house but also bought it
Got it.
ओके चलो ठीक
नहीं।
अछि तापरे हां 22 नंबर जिबा कहला it always pours when it rains the underlined clause is a dash main clause
Subordinate.
subordinate
subordinating clause yes subordinating clause next jiba Ramo paid the bill dash credit card
Buy
Oh,
credit card.
okay by credit card तो ठीक
Yes,
अछि
ma'am credit card ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ on ଲାଗିନି
एबे जदि कोन लिखा अछि रामो पेड द बिल बिल पे कला का द्वारा पे करिवो तो बाय
द्वारा
हां आमे एठी कोन देखो मु कहति ना किछटा क्वेश्चन आमे पढु पढु आमे जानि जिबा कि केउ प्रकार प्रिपोजिशन से यूज कराइबो बुझि परछो तो एठी कोन आमे लिखि रामो बिल पे कला काहा द्वारा होची क्रेडिट कार्ड द्वारा बिल पे कला बुझि परछो ओके
yes ma'am
तापर देछि स्टूडेंट्स should concentrate their studies
on
to
study.
on studies
On
On studies.
on study study ऊपर concentrate देखो एठी देखो देखो तमे जानि गलो कि एठी केउ प्रकार प्रिपोजिशन एमिति जिंस भी अछि काना तमे इसो ऊपर अक्वाइंटेड अछो ओके तो आराम से
Yes.
देखो देखो भी टाइप देबो तापर कहछि राइट द फंक्शन the noun clause in the below sentence it is not clear who has done it so who has done it तळे underline करायछि तो एटा कोन सब्जेक्ट
subject
ओके देखो कौन दिया सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ना कॉम्प्लीमेंट ना एंड एटी देखो स्पेलिंग गलत है ये ओटा इन ऑपोजिशन टू ए नाउन प्रोनाउन
ma'am ସେଇଟା opposition ଟା ତ
opposition of
In opposition to a noun pronoun होगा.
यस इन ऑपोजिशन ऑफ ए opposition to a noun pronoun yes
Okay, ma'am.
yes ma'am
हाँ ठीक अच्छे एटा तो एटा नाउन के तो व्यवहार करा जाए तो एटा रहइबो कोन ना ए रहइबो तापर रहला कोन 46 नंबर राइट द फंक्शन ऑफ द नाउन क्लॉज इन द बिलो सेंटेंस द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ वी शुड सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम तो एटा कोन हबो कॉम्प्लीमेंट हेबो ठीक अछि आंसर होछ हेबो कॉम्प्लीमेंट तब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिबा सुनो कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस यूजिंग ए नाउन क्लॉज आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन टू डैश एटा कोन लिखिबा
What do you suggest?
what do you
What
suggest
do you, yes, what do you suggest? Okay. Next, Jiba. 48 number. Lots of people died of COVID-19. This is really tragic.
Which
That
is
is
real?
Which is
which is really tragic. Yes. Next question jiba. The chair has a broken leg. He is sitting on the chair. तो कौन अब देखिए कौन join the above pairs of
The chair
The chair which is sitting on has a
Sitting on
broken leg. Yes, the chair which he is sitting on has a broken leg. Okay. Now pick out the sentence which has a relative clause. तो कौन है वो?
my own recollection is that I did not have any high regard for my ability.
ଆଉ କିଏ କଣ ଲେଖିଛ?
which my sinus was one of the reason for it. Allergic which I was still wrong.
Italian.
Yes, option number C is the correct. My sinus was one of the reasons for his aloofness, which I now see wrong. Okay. चलो ये गला तमानकर 50 टा क्वेश्चन ला आंसर. ओके तो तमानकर केतरा ठीक है जी